Ever wondered what's hiding just behind your walls? Or why your energy bill is suddenly through the roof? Today, we are stripping away the invisible and revealing the hidden world of heat to find the ultimate thermal imaging camera. I've spent weeks putting these devices through their paces in various scenarios, from inspecting HVAC systems to checking automotive engines, to see which ones actually deliver on their promises and which ones fall flat. By the end of this countdown, you'll know exactly which camera deserves your hard-earned money and which top-tier device blew me away with its sheer capability. 7. TOPDON TC001. When I first pulled this little unit out of the box, I was genuinely impressed by its compact size and the heavy-duty carrying case it came with. It feels like a piece of equipment you can easily throw into your toolbox without worrying about it getting crushed. The initial setup was fairly straightforward, requiring a quick app download and a direct plug-in to my phone's USB-C port, which immediately brought the camera to life. On paper, the TC001 boasts a respectable 256 by 192 ultra-high resolution, which is quite impressive for a camera at this price point. It promises a wide temperature reading range from -4 degrees to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When I took it around the house to test its capabilities, the visual output was surprisingly detailed. I could easily spot the heat signatures of the studs behind my drywall and see the distinct temperature variations across my living room windows, which gave me a lot of hope for its diagnostic potential. However, as I continued to use the TC001 for more extended periods, the practical experience started to reveal some frustrating realities. The most glaring issue I encountered was how aggressively this tiny camera cannibalizes your smartphone's battery life. Because it draws all its power directly from your phone, I watched my battery percentage plummet during a 30-minute inspection of my attic's insulation. If you are planning to use this for professional jobs that take an hour or more, you will absolutely find yourself tethered to a power bank, which entirely defeats the purpose of having a highly portable plug-and-play device. 6. ThermalMaster P1. My initial impressions were causative as I unboxed the unit. It has a sleek metallic finish and looks quite modern. It promises a similar plug-and-play experience to the TOPDON, relying on your smartphone screen to display the thermal data. I was eager to see if this model could overcome some of the physical hurdles I experienced with other phone-tethered devices on the market. The ThermalMaster P1 features a 256 by 192 thermal resolution and boasts a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, which is a significant selling point. When I tested it by tracking my dog running across the backyard at dusk, the higher refresh rate was immediately noticeable. The video feed was much smoother and far less choppy than standard 9 Hz cameras, making it significantly easier to track moving objects or pan across a large scene without getting that dizzying, stuttering effect on the screen. Despite the smooth frame rate, my real-world testing quickly exposed some critical flaws that hindered my overall experience. The biggest letdown is the overall build quality of the camera housing itself. While it looks nice out of the box, the metal casing gets surprisingly hot to the touch after just 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use. This overheating issue not only made me uncomfortable leaving it plugged into my expensive smartphone, but it also seemed to affect the camera's thermal accuracy. I noticed that as the device heated up, the temperature readings on stationary objects would slowly begin to drift, compromising the reliability of my measurements. Another major headache came from the ThermalMaster app experience, which felt surprisingly underdeveloped. When I took the P1 out to inspect an electrical panel, I wanted to quickly adjust the temperature span to highlight a specific warm breaker. 5. Flir One iOS. When I plugged the Flir One into my iPhone, the difference in engineering quality was immediately apparent. It features a unique adjustable connector that allows you to extend the lightning plug, meaning I didn't even have to take my thick protective phone case off to get a secure connection. This simple design choice eliminates a massive pain point right out of the gate and shows that FLIR truly understands how people use their phones. What really sets the Flir One apart is the inclusion of FLIR's patented MSX, or multispectral dynamic imaging technology. This feature uses a secondary standard optical camera to capture the physical details of a scene and embosses them onto the thermal image. When I tested this by looking at a complex circuit board, the MSX technology was an absolute game changer. Instead of just seeing a glowing blob of heat, I could actually read the printed text and numbers on the components right through the thermal overlay, making identification incredibly easy and precise. In my field tests, the Flir One proved to be a remarkably reliable companion for home inspection tasks. I used it to track down a persistent draft in my living room, and the camera brilliantly highlighted the exact spots where the weather stripping had failed around the window frame. The companion app for iOS is beautifully designed, incredibly stable, and packed with intuitive features. Generating a professional-looking PDF report right from my phone took only a few taps, which is a massive time saver for any contractor or home inspector. 4. Thermal Master P3. The moment I held the P3, I could feel a significant upgrade in the build quality. The housing feels dense, premium, and much better equipped to handle heat dissipation. Plugging it into my device, the connection felt incredibly secure, giving me the confidence to move around freely without the constant fear of the camera dropping its signal. The standout feature of the Thermal Master P3 is its jaw-dropping 384 by 288 thermal resolution. When I first fired up the camera and pointed it down my street, I was genuinely blown away by the level of detail it captured. The thermal gradients were incredibly smooth, and I could easily distinguish the crisp outlines of parked cars, trees, and even individual power lines against the night sky. For a smartphone attachment, this level of clarity is simply phenomenal and rivals many expensive, dedicated handheld thermal cameras. I took the P3 into a challenging environment to test its mettle, a densely packed automotive engine bay. The high resolution allowed me to pinpoint a tiny localized heat spike on a serpentine belt pulley that a lesser camera would have completely blurred out. I was able to diagnose a failing bearing in minutes, entirely thanks to the immense clarity of the thermal sensor. The 25 Hz refresh rate is back and works flawlessly here, providing a buttery smooth video feed as I moved the camera around the running engine. Software-wise, Thermal Master has clearly done their homework and completely overhauled their application for the P3. The app is now incredibly snappy, responsive, and packed with advanced analytical tools. I could easily set multiple spot meters, draw custom bounding boxes to track the highest and lowest temperatures within a specific area, and set custom temperature alarms. 3. TOPDON TS001. Unlike the standard wide-angle cameras we've looked at so far, the TS001 features an adjustable, long-focus lens specifically engineered for macro thermal imaging. When I unboxed it, the device immediately stood out with its prominent, manual focus ring, giving it the feel of a traditional camera lens and hinting at its specialized capabilities. The manual focus ring is where the magic truly happens with the TS001. When I tested it on a highly complex, densely populated computer motherboard, I was able to dial in the focus to an incredibly sharp, close-up view. Most thermal cameras cannot focus on objects closer than a few inches, but the TS001 allowed me to get right up to individual microchips and resistors. The clarity was so profound that I could immediately spot a single tiny capacitor that was overheating, completely isolating it from the surrounding components. This camera operates with a 256 by 192 resolution, which, when combined with the macro focus, yields astonishing detail for electrical and circuit board diagnostics. I spent hours using it to troubleshoot small electronics on my workbench, and the experience was nothing short of a revelation. The included adjustable stand is a massive bonus, allowing me to mount the camera directly over my workspace. This freed up both of my hands to use multimeter probes and soldering irons while watching the real-time thermal changes on my monitor. Ergonomically, the TS001 is a joy to use in a static environment. While it isn't the best choice for scanning a large building or looking for lost pets in the woods due to its focal length, it absolutely dominates when it comes to precision close-up work. 2. FLIR C5. Right out of the box, the C5 exudes durability. It has a thick, rubberized housing that is IP54 rated against dust and water, and it can survive a 2-meter drop onto concrete. I didn't test the drop claim on purpose, but it did accidentally slip out of my pocket while I was climbing a ladder, and it survived without a single scratch, immediately proving its worth to me. The C5 features a built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen that is incredibly bright, responsive, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Because it's a standalone device, I didn't have to fiddle with connecting my smartphone, launching apps, or worrying about draining my phone's battery. I simply pulled it out of my pocket, pushed the power button, and was instantly ready to start scanning. It features FLIR's fantastic MSX technology, which beautifully overlays optical details onto the 160 by 120 thermal image, making the identification of pipes, wires, and structural beams incredibly clear. One of the most impressive features of the FLIR C5 during my testing was its seamless integration with the FLIR Ignite cloud service. As I was inspecting a large commercial property for moisture intrusion, I connected the C5 to the local Wi-Fi. Every single image I captured was automatically uploaded and backed up to the cloud in real time. I didn't have to mess around with USB cables or SD cards when I got back to the office. All my images were already waiting for me on my computer, ready to be dropped into a report. The built-in LED flashlight is another brilliant practical touch. When I was crawling through a pitch-black crawl space, I was able to illuminate the area optically while simultaneously capturing thermal data. 1. Edge Pro. This device completely reinvents the concept of a smartphone thermal camera and absolutely blew me away during my testing. The Edge Pro utilizes a revolutionary wireless design with a spring-loaded clip that attaches to any smartphone or tablet, regardless of size, operating system, or how thick the protective case is. The moment I clipped it onto my phone and connected via Wi-Fi, I knew this was the ultimate evolution of mobile thermal imaging. Because the Edge Pro connects wirelessly, you aren't forced to keep the camera attached to your device. This unlocked a level of versatility I had never experienced before. During a particularly difficult automotive inspection, I was able to unclip the camera, hold it deep down behind the engine block in a tight, awkward space, and comfortably view the live thermal feed on my phone screen resting safely on the workbench. This ability to separate the sensor from the screen makes inspecting blind spots, high ceilings, and dangerous areas incredibly safe and easy. The thermal performance is spectacular, boasting a 160 by 120 radiometric thermal sensor paired with FLIR's legendary MSX technology. The Edge Pro takes MSX to the next level by ensuring the thermal and optical cameras are perfectly aligned, resulting in the crispest, most detailed overlaid images I have ever seen on a mobile device. Whether I was looking for overloaded circuits in a dark basement or checking for radiant floor heating leaks, the imagery was flawless, highly detailed, and incredibly easy to interpret. Furthermore, the Flir One Edge Pro integrates seamlessly with the FLIR Ignite Cloud platform, bringing the professional workflow of the C5 to your smartphone.